land of self-respect, the land of inclusivity, the land of liberation.
Wow.
When I joined JNU, that was my first visit to Delhi. So I would say JNU is the mini Tamil Nadu. So if you see other north parts except JNU, is the culture of debate and research. JNU is not just for the academics. It's a culture of debate and research. So I don't know Hindi, so I never worried that I will learn Hindi. So I always see when I enter into JNU, being a linguistic minority, they are always trying to attack the minority people, whether it's a religious minority or linguistic minority or social minority. So when someone speaks to me in Hindi, I say I don't know Hindi means the immediate question they ask to me is, are you an Indian? So do we need to learn Hindi to be an Indian? No. When I ask a question, when I question the government, they will say you are anti-national. So questioning the government default, questioning the Modi's default, questioning the Amit Shah default doesn't make you anti-national. So, see, in my opinion, the real politics is we stand with the oppressed people. Whatever happens, the real leader should be at any cost, even if I die, even if I lost anything, everything in my life, I will stand with the oppressed people. This is how real leaders should be. But you know, we don't need to talk about the Modi, Amit Shah, ABP politics at all. Their politics is clear, communal, without religious poison, without bestowing the communal poison. They don't have politics at all. They never have politics. Can you tell me even one incident Modi raised voice against the communal violence happening in India? Even before 2015, after he comes to the politics, see, whenever what the real representative Baba Saheb Ambedkar wanted. These people, you know what BJP did, they select one SC/ST candidate, one ST/ST person from the community, and they give minister, MLA post, and they say we are the representative, we give representation of the minorities oppressed. This is not the representative Baba Saheb Ambedkar wanted. When they select oppressed people from oppressed community, it means they are trying to give big things to the community. We know when they selected Abdul Kalam as a president, they did a massive genocide in Gujarat against Muslims. When they selected Draupadi Murmu as a president, you know what they did to the people in Manipur. We know that. So this is not the representation Ambedkar wanted. They receive some benefits from the government and they are not raising voice against their own community. Even in Abdul Kalam or Draupadi Murmu, they didn't raise voice against their community. So what is the representation? How the leader should be? The one who really knows the pain. The one who really feels the pain of the oppressed community. That's how the leader should be. You know, in our family, we have representation from SC community. We have a representative from ST community. Even being a Muslim, always targeted being as a terrorist. When I ask something against the government, they are always labeled as an anti-national terrorist. Being I am carrying the. So if you select the people like how our representation, our panel, they will imagine yourself, they will imagine themselves in your position. If you come to us with any problem, we can imagine ourselves in you. We will imagine ourselves in you. We will give our voice to, even if we die. That's how a real leader should be. Then comes down left, so-called progressive. You know, after 2014, they are trying to sacrifice the JNU campus. So government is with them. They are trying to bring down the standard of institutions like JNU, and they are trying to bring up to the institutions like Banaras University, everything we know. Left is in students union, right? Left has been in students union. What did they do? Last year, February 19, 2023, in Teflas incidents, some program was happening. They trampled the portraits of Periyar leaders like Periyar, Lenin and Phule. This is the portrait of student union. It's the 30 years, 40 years historical photo. What did left do? We know that campus violence happening in the campus. What did left do? So they are not really capable of resisting this separation. They don't have capacity, they don't have guts at all. So I would request those left people, please stay away. Please stay away. If you select WAPSA as a student union, we will show what is the real resistance. You will come to know what is the real resistance. So that's all. I would like to request each and everyone to at least give us one chance. You will get to know what is the real power, what is the real politics. Who is your real leader? And I can give you a guarantee. Even, see, whenever you approach this kind of oppressed people, they will give voice for you even if they die. So I can give you that guarantee at this stage. If you elect me as a vice president, if you elect our panel members as a president, general secretary, like joint secretary, see, we didn't in the panel, we didn't in the students union last so far. So please select us, please elect us as your representative, as your voice. We will be your voice if you elect. Thank you.